students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about Lorentz and duty theory of electrons in the electric current chapter. So it is a topic in 10th class physics chapter, that is electric current chapter, and it is also 12th class electric current electricity chapter. So what about Lorentz duty theory? It is a textual question number 1, important one for 4 marks. So explain Lorentz duty theory of electrons in electric current. So according to Lorentz and duty theory, so the conductors have a large number of free electrons. So conductors have a large number of free electrons. That is why they are the conductors of electricity. So in the second point, students, at the same time inside the conductor positive ions are fixed, so which is called lattice. So positive ions fixed inside in the conductor is called lattice. So consider the conductor is in the open circuit, means that it is not connected to any cell or battery in the circuit. So you can see the electrons move randomly as shown in the figure. You can see the electron, these are the electrons which are moving so improper direction. So in all possible directions, suppose it is a conductor which is not connected to any cell or battery, so it is open in the circuit. So now you can see random motion of the electrons. Random motion means moving improperly in all directions, in all possible directions. So there is no particular direction, so there is no orderly motion of the electrons. So now let the cross sectional area in the conductor. So suppose this is a cross sectional area in the conductor we considered. So the number of electrons crossing the cross sectional area from left to right. So number of electrons crossing from, suppose 10 electrons crossing this cross sectional area from left to right, then same 10 electrons cross the cross sectional area from right to left. So this is the written here, students. So the number of electrons crossing the cross sectional area capital A from left to right and from right to left is equal in 1 second. So net charge in the conductor is 0. So number of electrons crossing from here to here or here to here is equal. So that is why there is no net charge inside the conductor. Net charge inside the conductor is 0 before connecting to the source of current like a cell or battery, or when it is in the open circuit. So let the conductor is connected to the battery through the bulb. The bulb glows because of electric current. So now this conductor is connected to the cell or battery. So now there is a bulb in the circuit. So then immediately you can see the bulb glows. So because of electric current. But how does this electric current produce inside the conductor? So this is due to orderly motion of electrons in the conductor as shown in the figure. So you can see, so the electrons moving in the proper direction. Electrons are moving in the proper direction. But here you can see improper direction, random direction, here proper direction. So this orderly motion of electrons is called electric current. So this the ordered motion of electrons is called electric current. So why they are moving in the proper direction means due to presence of electric force and electric field. So electric force is controlling these electrons to move only in the proper direction. That is why net charge is not a 0. That is why, so there is a electric current in the circuit in the conductor, so bulb is glowing. So this is an important question for 4 marks. You can see once again from top to bottom. So everyone has to learn this question. That's all, students.